Students, today we are going to take a numerical, some transactions for journal entries. Okay, so here are some transactions, past journal entries for the following transactions. The first one is what? Charge provide depreciation for furniture 500 and machinery 2000. Depreciation is to be charged for furniture and machinery. So for that, if depreciation is charged, so depreciation is the loss. So depreciation account debit to furniture, because the value of the asset is going down, furniture and machinery. So it is, what is the journal entry? Date is not given. So depreciation account debit to furniture to account, that is 500 rupees and 2000 rupees, total is 2500 for depreciation charged on furniture and machinery. Okay, put a line after this. Okay, this was the journal entry. Second one is received cash 1000 for bad debt return of last year. Bad debts which were written off last year, enough. Some bad debts were there which were written off from the books. Considering that it will not be recovered, we had shown is in bad debts, and this was deducted from profit. Now this is received. So what should be the journal entry? The journal entry will be cash or bank account debit if it is to bad debts recovered. So cash account debit to bad debts recovered account for bad debts recovered of last year, and this is 1500. Okay. Third entry. Ajay Singh was declared bankrupt. He owed 2500 to us. 2500 he had to give us. Nothing could be recovered from his estate. उसकी एस्टेट से कुछ भी नहीं मिला. सो उसने हमें 2500 देने थे अजय सिंह ने, है ना. सो व्हाट विल डू? Nothing is recovered. So here complete amount we will keep in this bad debts. Okay. Ajay Singh, he had to pay us the bad debts account debit to Ajay Singh for bad debts. Nothing could be recovered. 2500. Okay. Okay, now this is bad debts return of 2500. Okay, now next one. Next it says 20,000 for wages and 4,000 for salaries are outstanding. Now 20,000 and wages and 4,000 salaries are outstanding. As I told you, that in that case we will show it as expense, salary and wages. So wages account debit, salaries account debit to outstanding wages account to outstanding salary account. 20,000 wages and 4,000 salary. So 20,000 plus 4,000 for wages and salary outstanding. Okay, this entry we can put separate entry for this wages account here to outstanding wages, salaries account here to outstanding salaries. Okay, general entry that purchased furniture for the owner, for the proprietor, for rupees 6,000 by amount paid by check. So for that furniture purchase, it is not for the business but it is bought for the proprietors. So it is the drawings because the amount has been paid on behalf of the owner. So business has paid money to the owner. So drawings account debit, drawings account debit too, because this payment has been made by check. So bank account, because bank is paying. So for furniture purchased foreign, and that is for 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees we'll put it here. Okay, now the next journal entry, next transaction. In next transaction it says that interest on capital is provided at the rate of 9% and the capital is 2 lakh. Means 9% interest on capital is provided on capital rupees 2 lakhs. So 9% on 2 lakhs is 18,000. So interest on capital is the expense because it is paid, and money is going out from the business. So here it is the expense, so expenses are debited. Okay, and it will received by the owner, so it will be added to the partner's capital. So interest on capital account debit. So interest on capital account debit to capital account for interest on capital provided at the rate of 9%, whatever it is. So it is 18,000. Okay, it is done. So after this, interest on drawings. So interest on drawing is to be charged. So what is the entry? Interest on drawing is the income for the business. So income is credited, debit all the expenses, credit all the incomes. So and for this drawings account debit to interest on drawings, for interest on drawings charged. Okay, and how much it is? It is 1,000. 1,000 rupees interest is charged on drawings. So these are the journal entries for different transactions. Okay.